Hey everybody, and welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Today is March 22nd, 2023. It's about 5:45 p.m. and it is about 45 degrees out. Feels really nice, so it doesn't feel that cold. Today we're going to walk down the length of Clarendon Street, starting up here at Beacon Street. We're going to go through the Back Bay and work our way down to Tremont Street in the south end, and we're going to pass some cool sights along the way. So here we are at Beacon Street right now. You can see 200 Clarendon, or what was used to be known as the John Hancock Tower. Definitely stands out here. As we're about to cross over Marlborough Street. So right in front of us there, where you can see the church with the tall tower with the scaffolding up top. That is the First Baptist Church of Boston, which started in 1872, and it was then known as the Brattle Square Church. The building was Henry Hobson Richardson's design, who was an architect. He also designed the Trinity Church, which is just down the street. As you can see, they're renovating the 176-foot tall tower there. Actually, we're going to walk up and take a closer look. Here it is. It is definitely a gorgeous old building here. Here is the First Baptist Church of Boston. As we're about to cross Newbury Street. I did Newbury Street like 2 weeks ago. You can check that out on my channel with the full historical commentary. Here's Newbury Street. And we're about to cross over Boylston Street, and then we're going to take a look at the Trinity Church. Another beautiful historical landmark in Boston. I believe this building is 500 Boylston Street. This is also Copley Square. We're in the back bay. She went across the street here. What I'm going to do is walk around to the front of the church. And then we'll go back around and continue down Clarendon Street. This is, technically the church is on Clarendon Street. It's 206 Clarendon Street, right next to Copley Square Park. Yeah, this church completed construction, and you can see it looks beautiful with the 200 Clarendon looming over it there. But this church completed construction in 1877. The building is an example of Richardsonian Romanesque design, named after its architect, which again, same as the previous church, Henry Hobson Richardson. A lot of influence on these buildings. Here, skateboarding over there. Beautiful. There's the Boston Public Library across the way. What a beautiful facade that is, isn't it? And right across the street, this is 200 Clarendon Street. We're right at the base of it. It used to be known as the John Hancock Tower. The building opened in 1976. The name was changed in mid-2015 from the John Hancock Tower to just 200 Clarendon. It was originally named after the John Hancock Insurance Company, which was of course named after the founding father. You can see the beautiful reflections it gets. That's its signature, especially the Trinity Church from this side. Across the street. We'll walk along the base here, and we're going to loop back around out to Clarendon Street. See the Trinity Church from this side. So this building, here, hold on, I'm going to get out of the wind before I continue talking. I think if I go around the building. Okay, so 200 Clarendon is a 60-story, 790-foot skyscraper. And this is the tallest building, not only in Boston, but also all of New England. And you can see, you get these gorgeous reflections from every direction. Beautiful. Sorry, the wind is kicking up a little bit on this part of the street. Maybe if I cross over. Take a look back. And immediately we're going to come up on another historical building, which is a YWCA building, which is a historic building built in 1929. The building once housed an indoor swimming pool and recreational facilities for women. But now it is apartments, and various businesses are in this building now. Beautiful old red brick building. There's a YWCA building. We're going to continue along. We can look at the facade of the YWCA building here. It's 140 Clarendon. A lot of history in this city, I'll say that. Okay, so we're coming upon the Frieda Garcia Park here, which was built in honor of Frieda Garcia, a renowned community activist. You can see it over here. There's her name right on the front. She was recognized for her decades of leadership in the South End and Roxbury. And actually there's a cool artwork up front. Maybe I can get an angle on it. You can usually only see it from the pike, but I think I can look at it over the wall here. Oh yeah, see? Right here. Yeah, the circles you see on the wall were put up by the Artists of Humanity in 2014. They are called powder-coated metal blooms, and there are approximately 130 of them. Very cool looking. Kind of gives a nice visual touch to the highway, you know? I think you can only really see it from the highway there. You can see, pretty cool. Alright. We're gonna go to the back end, I think, of the Back Bay T station. And then we're basically heading down to the South End from here. We're gonna cross over Columbus Ave. Here, Back Bay. Oh yeah, you can see the train. I think it's the bus station and the train station over there. Might be a commuter rail stop too, I think. Now we're going to cross Columbus Ave here. There's a beautiful view down the street. So we have a few more blocks to go, and then we'll get to Tremont Street down in the South End. I think we're technically in the South End now, I would say. Here's a beautiful look back at the 200 Clarendon. As we continue along, we're going to cross Appleton Street. All these beautiful houses down, up and down all the streets down here. Wonderful place to get some food or great little cafe, the South End Buttery. South End Buttery actually opened in 2005. This is one location. I think the other one is on Shawmut Ave. So this is obviously the Clarendon Street location. We got one more block to go and we'll be on Tremont Street and one more historical building as we cross Warren Ave. So yeah, we're going to see 2 Clarendon Square, which was formerly the Clarendon Street Baptist Church. It was built in 1868. After a fire in 1981, the shell was fixed up and reused to build a residential building with condos, also known as the birthplace of Gordon College, as Adoniram Judson Gordon ran a missionary school in the basement. And sorry, I should point at it. This is the building, 2 Clarendon Square. So I guess it's condos now. It's like a beautiful spot to live. And here we are approaching Tremont Street. I hope you enjoyed the walk. As always, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you enjoy my channel altogether, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And check out my photography at WayneOxfordPhotography.com. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along on this beautiful walk. Bye.